All right, so I have this little RC controlled shark here. I actually have a grandson who's a huge fan of sharks. And so, because they all go to that stage, sharks, dinosaurs, it's something. But anyway, we have a remote controlled shark here. It's adorable. It has a little light on the top. Probably makes it easier to find in the pool. And then it also has a little water spurty thing. It is a top float, so it's not going to go under the water. It kind of comes to the top and then it wags its little tail and it goes along and everything. We've not pulled it out and played with it just yet, just because obviously he's not here yet. He's actually still in Tennessee. He's coming to visit me soon. And so then we're going to pull it out and play with it. And when we do, I will tell you all about how well it holds up to a summer of swimming in my pool. Because that's probably what's important to you at this point. So I will give you an update a few weeks in and make sure that it's still working and running and everything else for it. But yeah, it's cute. I do like the box it came in. You can definitely see what it is, which makes it a great box for kids. It does use 2 AA batteries for the remote. So just so you know, that is the remote needs 2 AA's obviously. And yeah. Otherwise, I think it's going to be a cool present. I think he's going to really like it. I think that it'll be a fun toy in the pool this year.
Yeah. So I feel like